All right. So, this morning's song is a song that was one of my grandmother's favorites. And this song, which I'm going to record. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. And if I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. And I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. And tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Yeah, that was great, Niji. Hey, thanks. I like the old songs. Should we do the intro? Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Today is Ojibwe word, Beka. Wait, just wait a second. We're gonna do another song here. Grab your harmonica. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, gee.
And welcome to BOOZHOO, not BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture. Oh, wow. That's what I'm talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
The one and the only. Oh, what? That was really good, you guys. Oh, not bad for first thing in the morning. Oh, this reminds me of high school. This is Cyndi Lauper. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged, oh I realize lies. It's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you makes you feel so small. But I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, and that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, I can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, you call me up because you know I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, and that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. Oh, what? Well, that was really good, Niji. Hey, thanks a lot. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Today, our Ojibwe concept of the day. Beka, wait. You know, they usually categorize it as one of those commands. It's an Ojibwe command. Beka, wait. Well, you know, sometimes I think there's real, like wisdom in the idea that, sometimes not doing something is the right course of action. Just wait. Wait and see what happens. You must be patient. You must use, discernment. Wait. These are weird times, but let's just wait and see what happens. I don't know. Beka, wait. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day, I guess. Wait, is that good enough? Oh, that's fine. All right. Well, in that case, hey, honey, you wanna send us out with the the usual commercial?
Yeah, sure. Hey, everybody, if you want to support this show, don't forget to click the link to PayPal. You can leave us a tip, or you can sign up monthly on Patreon. If you'd like to order a t-shirt that says "Hoa" or a coffee cup or something, click the link to TEESPRING. And if you'd like to order Ojibwe language children's books or coloring books and that, click the link to Amazon.com, and Michael Lyons has some books for sale. All right.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. I'm here with Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And Not a BOOZHOO.
Okay.
And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin,
Minawa.
Minawa. Hoa.
Oh, what?